Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude is moving as well as how the price of crude can move tomorrow. See, as you can see, this is the 1 month chart. Crude is fluctuating, okay, in between 68 to around 59. So see the pattern that the price of crude is moving in this particular range and made a low also, okay, at a good low also. From around Feb to around March, it was in this particular range. After breaking this range, and from there it fall, and now in this particular range. What I have already told you, that the price of it will move like this, hold for some time, and if there is a probability it can bounce back or can move down. So look at this. You can see the pattern. The trend is continuously in upside, okay, and we can see it is an uptrend. Okay, once it breaks a level of 65.49, then we can see it can touch a level of 66.38. okay, and if it breaks a level of 64.23 downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 63.16 very soon, okay, because this is a strong resistance. I'll show you one day chart. Look at this. Now it is at around 64.6. Once it cross 64.79, then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 65, and once 65 is touched, we have seen the it can break a level of 65. okay, once this breaks a level of 65, then we can see it can touch a level of 65.45. okay, once 65.45 is touched, then we can see it, the next target of R will be at around 65.5, and from there 65.92. after 65.5, 65.92. these targets I'm telling you, because if you are doing, suppose you are in a profit of $2, okay, $2, then if it comes down to $1.5, then you should exit the trade for a particular day. okay, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can join my Telegram channel also, as well as you can attend my workshop. Mail me, then we can discuss the time. okay, so now we can see that the trend is in this way. okay, so let's wait. If it cross 64.37, then we can see it can touch a level of 64.25. once 64.25 is break, then our next target will be 64.12, and if it breaks this level, then we'll be looking for the target of 63.13. once 63.13 is break, then the next support we can see is at around 62.92, and from there we can see it around 62.72, and if it cross that level also, then we can see at 60.97. okay, once this level is crossed, the next support we can see it around 61.2. okay, once 61.2 is achieved, then the next support we can see is at around 60.28. from there we can see is at around 60. okay, if it cross that level also, then 59.60. from there it can go below 58 also, can touch 58 also. so after breaking this point, you should be setting up the target. I've already told you in this video, and you can check my previous video also, where I've told proper support points and resistance point upside also. okay, so once it crossed this level 65.52, then the next target will be looking at around 66. okay, because the resistance, this is resistance 1 and resistance 2. once this level is break, then we can see a target of 67 also after crossing 61. okay, so there is high probability that it can touch a level of 60 after crossing 65, 66, then it can touch a level of 68 also. okay, if we look at around 3 months chart, okay, the trend is upside. Okay, the trend is upside. So what we have to do is, see, look at this. I'll show you one thing, the trend line. So what you have to do is, you have to wait with a support at this level, because we can see once this level is break, then only we'll be looking for a downtrend. Otherwise we can see that the resistance is, we are still in the uptrend. For to cross this level, okay, cross this level, then only we'll be looking at the chart, then only we'll be trading for the downside. Okay, so see this level, once it can bounce back from here. If it cross downside, then our next target will be at this point. Okay, 61, it can touch a level of 61 also once this level is crossed. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe.